best natural treatments for hair fall. Almost every person suffers from hair loss. Hair loss can be due to exposure to sun, unhealthy diet, smoking, pollution, stress and using chemical products. Losing 80-100 hairs a day is considered normal according to doctors, but more than these can be a sign of bad hair health. If you are suffering from hair loss, then try the below-mentioned hair remedies, as they are completely natural and effective. Indian gooseberry. Indian gooseberry is enriched with the goodness of vitamin C, which prevents hair loss when used regularly. Mix 1 tsp. Indian gooseberry with half cup lemon juice. Massage this mixture on your hair and let it stay overnight. In the morning, wash off with natural shampoo. Amla is very good for a healthy scalp and it will reduce your hair loss problem. Onion juice. Onion juice has high sulfur content which prevents the hair loss causing deficiency. It also has antibacterial properties that kill germs causing hair loss. Grate onion to extract its juice and then strain it. Put this onion juice in a bowl and also add some aloe vera for better results. Apply this onion juice mixture on your scalp completely and let it stay for 20-30 minutes. You can keep it for as long as you want. Then rinse off using natural shampoo. Fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds are very effective in strengthening hair roots and treating hair loss problems. All you need to do is soak fenugreek seeds overnight so that they become soft by the morning. Then, grind them in morning and make a paste. Apply this fenugreek paste on your scalp and allow it to sit for at least 30-45 minutes. Repeat it 2-3 times a month to prevent hair loss completely. Honey and castor oil. Honey and castor oil when combined together becomes very effective hair mask in treating hair problems like hair loss. Mix equal amount of castor oil and honey and make a mixture. This mixture will be very sticky, so you can add coconut milk into it for smooth paste and better application. Apply this mask on your roots and strands completely and allow it to sit for 45 minutes. Then wash off completely and make sure no residue is left behind. Green tea and egg yolk. Brew 1 green tea bag in half cup of hot water for 10 minutes. Once the water is cooled down, mix 1 egg yolk into it. Mix well so that it becomes a smooth consistency which is easier to apply. Apply this paste on your scalp and strands thoroughly and let it stay for 30 minutes. Green is enriched with antioxidants which prevents hair loss and makes your hair healthy looking.